What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Your certified Mexican here. I'm in the Miata. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. The interior is a bit dirty. Like I said in the previous video when I revealed this car to you guys, we're gonna clean it up and make it just look the best that it can with how it currently is. But we're gonna start with the interior, because unfortunately I don't have the convertible top yet. I'm gonna have to order it and then put it on, and then that way I can give the car a thorough wash, clay bar it, polish it, and just see how the paint looks like. Hopefully there's still some good paint left. But yeah, let's get started. We're gonna actually go ahead and take apart the interior because it looks pretty clean in the videos, but it can look better. As you can see here, it's pretty dirty, all that black stuff there. The mats, as you can see, we're gonna take all this out, try to clean it. All this, you can actually remove this panel with these Phillips heads right there. We're gonna clean this up. All this plastic, all of that. This seat we're gonna take out. That way we can give it a thorough clean and just clean all of the surface areas. Remove any paperwork that came with the car that it's not mine and I'm probably not gonna need. And here we have the driver's seat. We're gonna go ahead and try to not harm it as much as we can and just try to clean all this dirt, because that's all dirt and all that. So yeah, so we're basically gonna strip the interior the most that we can, and we're gonna clean it. So here it goes. First things first, I'm gonna take out the seat, remove most of the panels here. So the seat here is probably gonna be 1, 2, and then 3, 4 bolts, and then here we're gonna remove this whole center area, and we're gonna clean all that plastic out, and that seat's gonna come out. These panels are gonna come out, and we're gonna vacuum the whole car and then just wipe it down, make sure everything's clean to the best that I can at least. And yeah, I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of me just basically taking apart the seats, the plastics, and things like that. Stay tuned. Well, that took a long lasting 5 minutes. Here, check it out. So this is how dirty. Got some spare change that came with the car. Makes the project even cheaper. All right, so this basically, the seat took just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where the seat belt goes attached to, and the seat came out. This right here only took 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit of nudging, and came out. Now I'm gonna move on to the center console here, and then so on and so forth. And then after I've taken most of this apart, then we'll start to cleaning. This is literally all it took to take apart all of that. A Phillips and a couple of pry tools. Mostly the Phillips, but yeah. Check it out. She's a bit dirty. We got some coins. A lot of dirt. We're gonna get deep in there and clean her up, make her look good. Clean all this. Like I said, clean the seats. Clean all of this whole center console. I don't know if you can see it quite well on the camera, but it's a bit dirty, so we're gonna try to detail the car as best as I can. Ooh. This is actually quite easy. You gotta love Japanese cars because they're pretty easy to take apart. It's a good thing and a bad thing, because just how easy I can take it apart. I could take it apart. Anybody else could take it apart and maybe steal something from the car. So yeah, has its benefits and its drawbacks, but yeah, check it out. So here are all the parts that I removed. This, we got that center console. All this is like the center. That's the dash, yeah, frame. And then here's the seats. We're gonna go ahead and clean all this up with just some Armor All cleaning wipes. For the seats and the leather, we're gonna use sprayable leather cleaner and conditioner. For these railings, we're probably just gonna clean them with like wet rag or something, and get them all shiny and, you know, get them looking how they should. I actually think I have, so here we go, some chrome polish. So we're gonna use some of this as well. That way we can get some shine out of those railings. And then here we're obviously gonna clean up all the change, and then here we're gonna wipe it with the Armor All wipes and just, you know, try to get some shine out of this car. Oh, I'm so excited to see what this is gonna look like. I don't think I'm gonna put the radio back in, for one, because it's probably, it's old. I mean, this thing probably doesn't even have Bluetooth. We need Bluetooth. We definitely need Bluetooth, so we can jam while we have the top down on a nice cruise at night or during the day. And this stuff's just ancient. I mean, it's from the freaking 90s. We're probably gonna put a double din in there, a nice touchscreen double din, make it look really nice. And yeah, I have a lot of hope for this car. This car is gonna be a lot of fun, and it's gonna be really clean. So stay tuned. I'm gonna put a time lapse on now, and you're just gonna see me clean up all the parts. Alright guys, quick update. I've cleaned most of the plastic, as you can see here. All that's clean. This is clean somewhat. I still gotta do that. I gotta spend some more time, and I gotta polish it as well, but I'm gonna do that after. Now I'm gonna do the seats. As you can see, they're a bit dirty. We're gonna try to remove all of that with some sprayable leather cleaner and conditioner. We're gonna use a brush. With this, we spray the cleaner and conditioner, and then we basically wash it with the brush, and that should get the dirt off. As far as the interior goes, I took off quite a bit. I'm actually debating on changing this carpet because it just stinks, and it's pretty soaked. This all has to do with the top being ripped, unfortunately. So we'll see. We'll see how much that's gonna run, and then we'll make the decision. Who knows, maybe we can salvage this one if I give it a good wash and clean it up pretty good. I don't know, we'll see. It kind of does stink, and it gives the car like a old car smell. That's moisture basically built into the carpet. So we'll see, but overall car's still pretty good. Here, let me show you. 87,000 miles. This is a 1997, just to put it into perspective. This car should have well over 100,000 miles. On average, these cars have like around like 150 or so. So yeah, let me get to cleaning the seats, and I'll get back to you guys. I'm tired. It's been a long day. So here's the aftermath. A lot cleaner. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up in the camera, but check it out. That's not as dirty anymore. A lot cleaner, for sure. As well as those parts. Those, I'm still gonna clean them up a little bit, but for now, I'm running out of sunlight. Yeah, it's getting dark, so I'm gonna pull this thing back into the garage, and then basically just call it a night. Work on it tomorrow, some other day. Look up how much this carpet's gonna be, and see if we can maybe salvage it. Maybe, I don't know. Hopefully the other carpet's not a lot. On the next video, we're gonna remove the convertible top. If I do decide to change the carpet, I'm probably gonna remove the whole dash, take everything out, and change the carpet, because you have to remove the whole dash and all that to change the carpet. We shall see. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned. Like I said, this is gonna be a process. I'm gonna basically go over this car like thoroughly, and clean it up. Try to make the best of it, and basically restore it. Because at this point, like, I'm going through the whole car. After this, it'll probably be the exterior or the engine bay, and then mechanically the car's running good. There's no issues besides that oil leak, so I'm not really too worried about the engine bay. First things first, gotta order probably a convertible top, and then we'll go from there. Just keep working on it. So I'm excited. We're gonna restore this little bad boy, make the best of it. It's a fun little car. I'm excited. Like, comment, subscribe, more Miata and 335i videos coming soon, so stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be exciting. Watch this thing go from basically it's a mess, from a mess to a pretty unique car, because it's I don't know if I told you guys, but this car is a STO edition. They got 1311 out of 1500. There was only 1500 cars made in this paint job, with everything that this car has, so it's a special one. Give a like if you like the video, and stay tuned for some more content from your certified Mexican. Peace out.